My name is Robert with Web Developer Ninja, and today I want to talk with you about my experience with Node.js. As a developer that comes primarily from a front-end development background. So to start, I want to talk with you a little bit about my background as a developer. So I started off building websites and like getting good with jQuery, and I had a fairly decent grasp on JavaScript, but really no server-side development other than some WordPress stuff. But over the past, I would say, 8 months to a year, I've really gotten to know Node.js, and really one of the reasons I was drawn to Node was because it was sort of out of laziness. I was like, I already know JavaScript. How hard can it be to take JavaScript and put it on the server? So the learning curve when I first started was sort of tough. I did a couple of YouTube tutorials, read some articles, and then just started tinkering with it. But then what really helped me fall in love with Node was Express. So it's this framework that's on top of Node, and it allows you to build, especially so since come from a web design website background, it allows you to use Node for setting up web servers. And that's when once you get your head, I would say once you know Node and once you play with Express, yeah, you really start to see how nice it is to develop a full application in one language. So say I'm building out this feature, I'm writing in JavaScript on the client side, and I need some data from the database. So to me now that when I'm developing with Node, I'll be writing my client side JavaScript, and very quickly I'll be able to open up my server file and write a server endpoint really easily with Express and Node. So really, I'm so happy that I took the time to kind of understand it, because now it's so fun to work with. And one of the best ways that I would say to really learn something like Node, or really anything in web development, is to get your hands on a project and kind of have the project grow with you. So like for me, my project is toolinginventory.com, and I started it out as a practice web app in Node. So about a year ago, I started really hitting on tooling inventory as my side. It's my project thing to learn Node, and now I've got a lot better grasp on Node, and I've got a really cool app to show for it. And I really think for me, it's been a really fun journey of learning, being able to build out features, and then being stuck on certain features for a month, 2 months, having to get help, and really learning that way. I feel like I was able to understand Node a lot better. So if you're thinking about trying Node, or if you're a web designer and you want to get into building some server side stuff, I really say check out Node, check out Express. I'll leave some links in the descriptions to some good articles and good YouTube videos for more. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button for more information on anything web development, and I'll see you next time.